Do you want to save your IndiaMart leads in Excel? Are you looking for a free software for extracting your IndiaMart leads? If yes, then I have just that solution for you, in which you can not only extract your leads from IndiaMart, but the whole CRM is free to use. You spend so much money on IndiaMart packages, and it can all go waste if you do not create a database of these leads and manage them properly. Using the CRM module of SXC Business Suite, you can extract all your IndiaMart leads and also save them in Excel. The CRM module is free for all your business users. So just call them or book your appointment for installation on the phone number or link given in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more such wonderful offers for your business.